Hey then guys, today I'm gonna fix another stereo for a Honda band that I got, and like I said, I took the battery out and it does the same code error. Like I said, just go to your glove box. Let's see, right there's the code 32545. See again, it's
32.
Okay, so that's 32, and that's how you start messing up the codes. So then once it says error, you start over again. See, you press 3, 2, 5, 4, 5, and you see that's exactly how you fix it. It's that simple. You just gotta figure out where's the glove box, and the code should be right there. Sometimes it's on the side, on the other side, but as you can see, it said code error before, and it had a little theft sign light going on. So I hope you guys like this video, and like you see, it's not even a minute it takes you to do it. If you try a lot of times and you messed up, unplug the battery again and do it again until it works. Okay guys, you see how it's done. If you guys like the video, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.